My name is Gunjan Syal. I've been a consultant for the last 14 years, and I've had the benefit of supporting at least 26 clients in 9 different industries on their strategy, governance, planning needs. So the way that I describe my services these days is building, transforming, and scaling businesses with everything that the pandemic has brought up. It's the opportunity, right? That silver lining. Where is that low-hanging fruit to help you reach either that new customer or existing customer and make that experience better? So I'd founded Transform This about 6 months ago to start collecting research information that's back in the market and bring it back to you in a more practical way. What are the uses today of that technology, that strategy, that method? And where could you leverage it in your industry with, within your own companies or even with your clients? So that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. The focus would be virtual reality and its different aspects. For those of you that may know, there's virtual reality, there's augmented reality, mixed reality. We'll touch a little bit more upon that. I won't go too much into the specific tech specifications or what's required to actually implement them. This is more of a broader conversation to see where the possibilities are and how are various retailers using it today, how you could apply it within your companies, and where to actually start.